Hi, my name is Mr. Johns and welcome to Dance and Drama Matters. Our question for today is, how can I combine my moves? We have accomplished so much in these dance lessons. We have created dynamic contrasts, we have used abstraction, we've used repetition, and we've also used accumulation. So today we're going to be doing something a little bit different, and we're going to look at the two fundamental ways to move our body and how we can combine those together. Our learning intention today is we will practice ways to combine movements. What are these two fundamental ways to move our body? What are these movements, I hear you say? Well, let's play around with them in our warm-up. So for this warm-up, you need to join in with me and participate so that you can get this learning done too. For our warm-up, we're going to use locomotor and non-locomotor movements. Let's start with locomotor. Locomotor movements are just movements that travel from one spot to another, which means that non-locomotor movements don't travel from one spot to another. Join in with me while I do some locomotor movement. Make sure if you're running that you're running outside, don't run inside. Right, so next, let's do some non-locomotor movements. And make sure you're doing them with me. Remember, non-locomotor movements are when we don't travel from one spot to another. So we're doing all of this movement on the one spot. So for your task today, you're going to need to combine two of the movements we did in our warm-up together. So that means your success criteria is, I can combine locomotor and non-locomotor movements. You could do that by combining two locomotor movements, one locomotor movement and one non-locomotor movement, or two non-locomotor movements. For example, you could combine two locomotor movements like run and slide. You could combine a locomotive movement with a non-locomotive movement, like walk and stretch. Or you could just combine two non-locomotive movements together, like bend and sway. Now you need to go and create your dance. Remember to combine two moves together. Okay, so now it's time for you to perform your dance. So find someone you can perform it to, and remember it's a really good idea if you film it, because that means you can watch it over afterwards and see how you've gone. So let's reflect on our learning today. Did you find it difficult or easy to combine your two moves together? And why was that? Alright, that's it for today. Thank you so much for joining us, and I'll see you next week. Bye!